double. Hey, a double double. Touching now my double double. Oh, a double double. Hey, I double double.
Hello. Your phone ringing. Pick up your phone.
Shasha Makayan. Katman. Mfana semze. Ikwa. Wabora shem. Wabora. Tabang. Marilur kilo patron rumelai. Ngilmazaza. Escape wabora shem yo. Wabora ju.
Answer my question is correct.
Ufofuna watatame. Answer my question is correct. Ufofuna watatame. Ao sasa roche iva kudu gapoka ba dia motola o shala tata o bona di TV.
Your phone ringing.
Pick up your phone. Pick up your phone.
Who? What? Sleeping.
Wow. Ish di mo bate. Wabora shem tabang. Watom. Wabora shem.
Shooter. Snapchat shooter.
Dem ko end live. Don't forget we are YouTube. Let's just snack up let's control. Subscribe, share the link.
Hey guys, let's have a young conversation, Yana, man. Am I the only person who loves seeing Mimi and Shandesh together? Because I don't want to lie, man. I really love them together and I think they're cute. I think they're cute, bruh, and they look happy. You can tell that there's love in the air, bruh. You can tell that they really love one another and they really appreciate one another. I don't know, bro. You know, at first I was like a bit skeptical about their relationship, but then I was like, okay, now let's see where it's gonna go. You know, at first I thought, maybe it'll fail. I don't know why I thought that way, but yeah. Manje ngiyabona nje ukuthi labantu bayathandana kwangempela. Bathu baratana. Wabona ba happy jwang. Ba happy and or if you follow Shandesh, then you'll know but she really loves Mimi, bruh. And she hates it when people ask her about Mimi because she doesn't want anyone. She doesn't want anyone. Khulume no Mimi. She wants Mimi for herself alone, and I love that for her. I really love that for her. So yeah, man, I wanted to know, Owusi, am I the only one who loves them together, or like who enjoy watching their lives together? Am I the only one? So yeah, if you don't mind, comment down below and let us know what you think about their relationship. Me personally, I love them, bro. I love them. I love seeing them together. So nawe commenta usitshela ukuthi wena ucabangani nge-relationship yabo. Unahanang ka relationship yabo na ye. Wayirata noma ucabangani ngayo. Kodwa if ukhona umuntu ongayithandi, hayi lo muntu unenkinga. Why ungabathandi labantu bahle kanje? Why ungabathandi ba happy kanje, bathandana kanje? Kumele ubathande labantu because bayathandeka vele. So yeah, man, comment down below. You've made it to the end of the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe as I'll be dropping more Likompo updates here. Pila, I'll be dropping everything that has to do with Likompo on this channel. So please make sure you subscribe so you can get that notification, you know, when I upload. Yes, bye-bye. Ube righty, over sharpu, ube grandy, ube nosuku elihle elifana nawe. Bye bye, ngiyakuthanda.